Then they show us the beautiful jewels. So only the beautiful jewels was the King Vashti. Vashti was a very beautiful woman, queen. But when she asked to present herself at the front of the drunkard kings, she refused. Then he became furious. The King Xerxes became furious and he ordered to make her driven out of this kingdom, and then decided to make another new girl as her as his queen. So all the women, young women from Persia, they had gathered and kept in royal palace under the Haggai person, under his guidance. The queen Now the queen wanted to select it from these girls. This Esther was the very beautiful, cute woman. So Haggai liked her, and he placed before the king, and king selected her and make her a queen. But problem arose when the Haman, the chairperson of the kingdom of Parasya or prime minister, he was very in enmity with Mordecai, because Mordecai was the person, Jewish person, don't want to bow before this fellow. So he was furious and started to make all his quality to destroy the Jewish people, because that time Jewish people was having nice post in the Persian countries. So he made the decree himself, and he wanted to kill all the Jewish people. And then he went to the King Xerxes and asked him that make the decree that all the Jewish people would kill, because they are not listening your laws, they are not observing your laws, or they are not doing our big ministers. So he has given his ring and stamped the document and sent to all the countries in all the languages it is written. So it was decided on the month of Adar, 13 days. So he said that 13 days all should be die, all should be killed, Jewish people. So it was a documented, and that news came to the Susa. So Susa's Jewish people were very frustrated, and that yield, and they over the sack clothes and put the ashes on his head, and they were front of the palace or something. The Mordecai was the only person who was the front of the palace and wailing and crying throughout the royal palace. The news goes to Esther through her worker, eunuch, we can. So they said one person is crying in front of the royal palace. So she said, okay, brought him into my palace, but that is the he was refused because he was not over the royal clothes, so he has to wear the royal clothes, something he don't wear. Then he has given the document, he has the decree, and show that queen. Then queen read the document and was crying like anything. Then she called Mordecai and told that all people should say the stay in their home. They should starve. They should have what is that? They should not eat for 3 days or pray to God. This simple thing, if you go to in our thing, that she was asked God's help, not the king's help. So she said, you should have fast and pray to God. Then after 3 days, she went to the royal palace, and asked king that I want to have a permission to your Haman and yourself to have a lunch or dinner or banquet in my palace. So he has given permission. Then when on banquet eating time, king told that, tell me that if you ask me half the kingdom, I'll give. But she said, no, I don't want to have half the kingdom, but my people are vanishing from your kingdom and they will be killed and myself also killed. Then he was not knowing that Esther was a Jewish woman. So she said, I am a Jewish, that Mordecai was my relative. Then she said, how that order has taken. Then the king has gone to his room or something. Meanwhile, that Haman was kneeling very front of the Esther and was saying that please don't do that this. So he was touched the queen, and as he touched, the king saw. So that it was order that kingdom, that one who touched the queen, he should die. So he made that he should die. Then one of the eunuchs said, sir, he has built the 50 to 60 gallon, 50 to 60 feet gallon for the kill or hang the Mordecai. So said he should be hanged on that gallows. So his sons and wife also killed over there only. After sometimes when king 13 days of order has come, so queen said that revoke the law, because this she wanted to revoke the laws, but king said the laws cannot be revoked, made by even king or something. So she said, what should be done? Then king gave the favor. He said, your people should come together and fight with their enemies. They will be given some instrument or something to fight. So here people are arranged themselves on 13th. On 13th day there was a huge fighting, and only 100 this side, 100 that side. People have died, not more than that. Then king told that only few are people are died. So I'll give the order to all your people, Susa people. They can go. I'll release from their captivity and go. They should go to Jerusalem, and you remain over there. Then that Esther remain over there only. Then Esther said that we'll have some one festival as a Purim, so we can exchange our gifts or something, because we can make the merry or something after two days. But so they exchanged gift or something, and they have followed the feast of Purim. That Purim festival is throughout the Persian country, Persian region, and now still this habit is going in Muslims festival. They add this festival and they are doing observe this festival as a Purim, exchanging meat or something on the day. If you could ask them, they will tell that all the story. This story tells, simple story is that in our women's ministry, this simple girl has chosen God for salvation, for giving relief, leaving captivity, resolving captivity. All the three things God has made and completed his mission through simple women. In Bible there are many women or something. You say the Magdalena was not her name, it is her village name. When Jesus Christ asked the water on the well, that lady's name is also not there. Then that girl, girls and women are helping Jesus Christ in the disciples. There are only 2-3 ladies' names are there because they are wife of the big shots in working in the Roman Empire. So in Bible there are many women are there. Their names are only they said this that and this are like women's name was not uttered very repeatedly because they don't want to give importance to women. I am a Catholic by religion, and I go through Protestant. I am roaming all the country. Even means I have visited states, all the states, and I have been in the church or something. But I have seen very lacking thing that they are not giving the importance of women's ministry. They don't give the even if you go to church or something, only few women will read the Bible or something, and then they will have only men or boys are reading the Bibles. So God wanted to save the people, stay His ministry. Even God has chosen Mother Mary for His salvation. She is the milestone of our Christian ministry. Christian ministry. She is the only women ministry. She is the only woman. Even you, if you know the Adam and Eve, she was the only woman. She made mistake, but that mistake, God has secret plan and omnipotent plan. He has changed her mistake into coming of the Lord Jesus Christ. If she would have not committed that mistake, Lord Jesus had not come, and salvation procedure was not. That is a plan. Nobody knows. Not a London people or not theologian knows the plan of Lord. So use mistake also. We cannot say that it is a mistake. It is a mystery of God. Even if you say the Peter's mistake, it was not Peter's mistake. If you say Judaism killed the Jesus Christ, but that was not the Pilate killed give the order. That was not the order of